Good afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Today I'd like to talk about sheet pans and how to cook with sheet pans by using a couple of different products. Let's just get right to it. You see here I've got two sheet pans. I use commercial sheet pans versus something you would buy at like Target or another retail establishment. As you can see, this one is very, very clean. I've had these sheet pans for many moons, many years. And you're seeing parchment paper. We'll get to that in a minute. If you can afford it, I use silicone mats. I have a few of these, enough to get me through my cooking and baking. I love them. Again, just like my sheet pans, I've had these for years. As you can see, they're a little stained, and you can tell they've been, they've discolored a little bit, but they still work. These are not the French that everybody's used to from like Charlotte and Williams-Sonoma and so forth. I actually got these at Cresco Restaurant Supply on Richards Boulevard in Sacramento. If you can't afford or locate silicone mats, then I highly recommend parchment paper. One of the best inventions for baking and for roasting, bar none. So I just checked prices with Rayleigh's Bel Air. You can buy a 45 or 46, 45 square foot roll for less than $5. I've had this roll for a while, but it's for baking, beautiful. Definitely get yourself some parchment paper. So that was just a real quick tip, and I hope you have a great Saturday, and I will talk to you later. Eat great food, have fun cooking. Bye.